Imagine telling a computer your idea for an app and watching it build the whole thing. No code, no tech background, no dev team. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, not anymore. AI is now building real, functional apps, just from simple instructions. And here's the twist. This isn't just helping non-tech people build faster. It's starting to replace parts of what developers do. So now, the big question is, are developers in danger, or are we just entering a whole new era of building? Let's break it down. We're officially in a new chapter of software creation. Today, there are tools where you can literally type a sentence like, "Make an app that tracks fitness goals, sends reminders, and has dark mode." And in seconds, it spits out the full thing. UI, logic, database, all wired up. You can test it, launch it, even customize it without touching a single line of code. People are building portfolio websites, budget trackers, booking systems, even full-blown marketplaces. And this isn't some gimmick. These apps work. You can publish them and people can use them, all built from plain language. That's not just automation. That's a whole shift in how software is made. So how is this even possible? Well, these AI tools are trained on millions of code examples, app templates, and UI patterns. They've learned what a login page usually needs, how to link a form to a backend, how to build out actions, logic, and workflows, how to generate scalable, working code that isn't just copy-pasted. It's functional. This means they're not just designing a pretty UI. They understand the flow of real apps. And here's the kicker. They're not just replacing the output, they're replacing the process. What used to take multiple devs, a sprint, and a bunch of meetings, now takes a well-written prompt and a few clicks. That's a huge leap. All right, let's get real. Is every developer about to lose their job? No. Not even close. But the landscape is changing fast. A simple app that used to take 40 hours, now it's done in one. Freelancers are losing entry-level gigs. Startups are skipping their first tech hire. Companies are asking, why pay a team when AI can prototype this in minutes? So yes, some roles are getting squeezed, especially the ones focused on repetitive CRUD apps, static websites, basic dashboards. But here's the silver lining. Devs who embrace AI, they're getting way more done. Devs who understand the deeper logic behind apps, still in high demand. Devs who collaborate with AI instead of competing, they're becoming unstoppable. It's not about being replaced, it's about evolving. This isn't the end of coding, it's the next version of it. Think about calculators. They didn't kill math, they just killed long division by hand. Same here. AI will take care of the boring, repetitive stuff. Boilerplate code, basic components, form logic. You handle the creativity, the architecture, the innovation. If you're a developer, this is your opportunity to 10x your workflow. AI becomes your assistant, not your replacement. And if you're just learning to code, you're lucky. You get to start with AI in your toolkit from day one. Just make sure you focus on the things AI still struggles with: real-world problem-solving, system design, communication, and empathy. Understanding why something needs to be built, not just how. So, are developers in danger? Only if they ignore what's coming. AI isn't about doing less, it's about doing more, faster, and smarter. If you're learning to code, don't panic. Double down on what makes you human: critical thinking, creative problem-solving, real-world experience. Because the future of software is still being written by people who know how to think, not just type. If this opened your eyes, smash that like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. See you in the next one.